In a world overflowing with operating system, three heroes emerge from the open source realms. Each with has its own unique powers. Ready to revolutionize your digital experience? Welcome to the ultimate installation saga, the Pop OS, Parrot OS, and the Manjaro Linux. First up is the Pop OS installation. First, go to the VirtualBox, then click New, then write your desired name, which for me is the Pop OS. Then click Others or Folder, then create new folder and name it as Pop OS. Then select that folder. Then go to ISO image and import the ISO image for Pop OS. Then click Next. Then if you want to change here in hardware, if not, click Next, and Finish. Then let's start our virtual machine for Pop OS. Let's try to wait. Let's wait to it to fully load.
A few moments later.
Now we are on the Pop OS desktop, and now we will install the Pop OS on the virtual machine desktop. Now click the icon below and wait. If this pop up, just always click wait, then wait again. In here, we're just extracting files and continue it to load. Let's wait. In here, we're just finalizing the installation.
A few moments later.
Now, after finishing the installation, this will pop up. Now select your desired language and desired area, which is for me is the Philippines. Next, Filipino. And I use default. Then click the clean install. Then click the drive here and import or input your name or username. Then import your password. Click next, then encrypt, then it start in partitioning the drive, then restart the device. Use your password, then it was successfully set up. Then click your username, then enter your password. And now you are on the Pop OS. Just click next for that. In here, I just insert the location of I have. And here, the Pop OS is now installed in the VirtualBox or virtual machine. That's all. That's how you install Pop OS in virtual machine or VirtualBox. Next up is the Manjaro Linux installation. Same as before, in virtual machine, enter new, then import ISO mail, then click next. Then here next, or you want to change something, and then next, then finish again. Now let's try to start the virtual machine. Let's wait. In here, just wait for the Linux Manjaro to install or to function or respond. Okay. And now we are here and welcome to Manjaro. So we need to click the launch installer, click the desired language, click the desired region, and click the desired keyboard model language. In here, we should click the erase this. This will delete all the data present to the selected storage device. Then next, then fill up the information like name, username, name of the computer, and password. And I use the same password. Then install, and then install now. Just wait it to fully install.
A few inches later.
Now the installation is fully done, so we need to restart our PC. We need to not press any key in here and just wait. In here, we need to shut down, exit and shut down the Manjaro Linux. And in this virtual machine, we need to remove the disk and then start again the virtual machine. Now we're on the login page of our desktop. We need to log in our password. And now, our Manjaro Linux are fully installed in our VirtualBox or virtual machine. Then just wait for the desktop to fully respond. You can see here that there is no installation of the Manjaro Linux on the desktop. And that's it. That's how we fully install the Manjaro Linux in the virtual machine or the VirtualBox. Next is the Parrot installation. Same as before, put the name, create a folder, and import the ISO for Parrot OS. Then click next. Then click next. If you don't want to change something, click next and then finish. Let's start the virtual machine. In here, we will select try and install. Then let's wait for the Parrot OS to fully function.
A few moments later.
Now we're on the desktop of the Parrot OS, and now we will install the Parrot OS in the virtual machine. So click the install Parrot on the desktop. Now we are here. I need to click the American English if you want. Click region. I'm here Asia and Manila zone. Then click Filipino and erase this. And change something on that, and we'll click next. In here, we'll just type the name, our name, and our username to log in, and our password. And I just click here, log in automatically, then click next. In here, we see here the location keyboard partition that we had. So we need to install it and install now. In here, we just wait for the Parrot OS to fully install.
Hours later.
Now, after many hours, our Parrot OS are now fully done. So, in here, we will just uncheck the restart now and click done. Now we will shut down our Parrot OS and let this wait. And here in virtual box, we need to remove the disk in the virtual drive and then click start now. And let us wait for the virtual machine to fully load. Here we will not just press any key in here, and let's just wait for the Parrot OS to fully function.
A few moments later.
Now in here we will just enter our password for the user, which is Atilano. And now we're fully installed our Parrot OS in a virtual machine. In here I'm just checking the directory of this desktop or this OS. And you can see in the desktop there's no installation directory anymore because we will just install it. And that's all. That's how we fully install the Parrot OS in the virtual machine or the virtual box. As our expedition across the diverse realms of Pop OS, Parrot OS, and Manjaro Linux draws to a close, we stand on the brink of empowerment. Through mastering this installation, we've not only unlocked the potential of our devices, but also tapped into a community-driven ethos that celebrates innovation, security, and accessibility. From the creative dynamism of Pop OS to the fortified bastion of Parrot OS and the versatile landscape of Manjaro Linux, each distribution offers a unique pathway to digital sovereignty. As we conclude this chapter, let us carry forward the spirit of exploration, collaboration, and discovery. Together, we continue to push the boundaries of what's possible in every evolving world of Linux. Thank you.